This is a set of Felo ergonic eSlim insulated screwdrivers. It comes packed in a cardboard box. The Felo eSlim design means up to 50% thinner body with the same VDE certification. The handle is made of special soft material that adapts to the user's hand. The set contains 3 slotted screwdrivers in sizes 3 by 0.5, 4 by 0.8 and 5.5 by 1, as well as Phillips 1 and 2. Additionally, in the set you get the original Felo ergonic bottle opener. Cheers! The Felo ergonic eSlim screwdrivers are rated for 1000 volts AC safe. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through over 600,000 items and get everything you want. You need it? We have it.